How to turn a photo into a keychain action figure with AI. Once open Gemini. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Play Store as shown in the video. Two, select the banana image and upload the desired photo. 3. Enter the command AI. You can get the command in the comment pin that I pinned. After that, copy and paste in iGemini. Five, you edit the name with your name. Six, if you like, select the arrow or enter and wait until the process is complete. Seven, save the image results as in the video. Subscribe and like if you find it helpful.